Okay, so now that we've finished creating our parts, we need to create an assembly. To do that, we go to the plus in the bottom left-hand corner and select Create Assembly. We need to drop in our parts. So using the insert function, we drop in our base, our sides, and our top. Just make sure you've got the long-sided tenon going into the through mortise. Once you've dropped in your parts, tick it off to say you're happy. And then we need to rotate our parts to get them roughly in the same orientation. So you can either drag those around or you can type into the dialog box the degrees of rotation. Clicking on the screen after each one just to deselect it. All right, we now have to do what's called mating the parts together. But I made a mistake here. Before we do that, we need to fix a part. So this base plate, we're going to right click on it and hit fix. That will stop it from moving around and give it an anchor point for our other parts to connect to. All right, now we go back to our fastened mate. We're going to select various points that we can connect together. You'll have to rotate things around to be able to get to those points. And when they're in the right spot, we can tick them off to say we're happy. So repeat the process now for the next one, clicking the corner of the mortise and then rotating around to click the bottom corner of the tenon in the corresponding point and tick it off to say we're happy. Okay, zooming back out, rotate around to find our next point of connection. And there you have it, one completed assembly.